to Windy City Live. Just because masks have become the norm doesn't mean that we still can't be in style as we wear our masks. Here with some great products to help us do just that is beauty and style expert and founder of thebeautygirl.com. Please welcome back to the show, Nicole Pearl. Hi, Nicole.
Hi, Val. It's so good to see you.
It's good to see you. Virtual kisses and hugs and all that stuff.
Yeah.
How have you been holding up since we talked earlier on in the quarantine?
Well, I have 3 little ones, so let's just say anxiety levels are higher, and we're doing our best to stay in a bubble, but it is not easy, especially living in the city.
Yeah, and what's also not easy is keeping up with your mask. Number one, you don't know how many times I've gone out and I'm like, oh, I forgot to grab my mask. And number two, staying stylish while you're wearing your mask, but you're gonna help us solve all that.
Yes, I have some really good ways to social distance in style, and it will allow you to be hands-free, more comfortable, so I cannot wait to show you because these are must-have items of the moment.
Okay, so let's start with mask accessories. What exactly is that and how's this gonna help us?
Its thing are mask chains. These are the hottest accessory going on, and everyone needs to have one. So what these are is they're really cute chains. You flip them onto your mask, they come on off, go on and off easily, and they make it a way for you to express your style while you're wearing a mask. So the one that I'm showing you now is from Pretty Connected. She actually originated this trend. What's nice is that you can also wear it as a necklace, and there's longer styles that can be used as water bottle holders. So you will be able to repurpose this mask chain beyond COVID. There's some others that I wanted to mention. This is another influencer. This is Sydne Summer, and these are mask chain necklaces. So you can wear these. They're really pretty, but you can also use them as sunglass holders and so forth. And then you need to know about this mask chain. This is a personalized mask chain. You can choose up to 3 charms. Celebrities like Katie Holmes and her daughter Suri have these. I love these from Embellish Me. So these are 3 hot mask chains to know about right now.
I didn't even know mask chains existed, let alone that there were multiple people making them and that you can shop for them.
Yes.
That's really good to know.
Forget the it bag of the moment. It truly is the it mask chain of the moment.
Now let's talk about mask with a message.
Yes. There's a lot to choose from. However, there's a new company called Evolve Together, which is doing amazing things. You'll see that there's coordinates on every single one of the masks, really to send the message that we are all in this together and united. Now, these are disposable, medical grade masks. You can get them in packs. The nice thing is that for each mask, they donate 1 to the ACLU. So you're really making a great statement. You're giving back. I just love these. And they're now doing masks for children ages 3 to 10.
I love that too. And they come in different colors. You have the black and the white, and so do I. So that's good to know. Now, let's talk about masks in our clothing.
Yes. So there is a Chicago designer company called Model Atelier, and these are the tank top face masks. How clever is this? Now, this company was actually made to specialize in women's wear for tall women. But I promise you, I'm only 5'2". These tank tops fit all shapes, all sizes, and they come in a variety of shades. How comfortable is the material? This is something that you should be wearing, and what I love is that you don't have to worry about taking a mask with you because you just put it around your ears and you are set for the day. How great. So, and again, I love that it's a Chicago-based company.
Yeah, and then when you take it off, it just looks like a cowl neck.
It's so cute. It's something that everyone should have in their wardrobe.
All right. Okay, next up, we want to talk about pocket squares because we can't forget the fellas and their masks.
Yes, and especially if you have a, socially distanced wedding, or if you're having a business meeting from a safe distance, but you want to look professional, these are the Tylmen Debonair Face Mask Pocket Squares. How innovative is this? So they're great face masks. However, they convert into really sharp pocket squares that you just put into your jacket pockets. And even if you want to then put them around your ears, I love that the company also created these cap and hook hats, which have these little buttons here. So it makes it super easy for you to wear any mask and attach it to this hat. so it's nice and comfortable. And another little hack just to know about is that if you have a barrette or a hair clip, there's no excuse to not wear a mask if you don't like the feeling of something behind your ears, because just slip it into your hair and you're set. The other thing is they're also doing great things to give back to kids in the Chicagoland area. So a great company to know about.
Right, and we need all the support we can get for our youth in Chicago, that's for sure. Now, one thing, Nicole, I've noticed, when you're wearing these masks, typically, as far as beauty goes, the only thing you're seeing is the eye up. So we need a fabulous eye if we're gonna have a mask on, right?
It's all about eye-centric makeup. And a great way to do that is with the winged eyeliner look. However, some people are intimidated, they can't do it freehand. This is a genius product. It's the Leda Beauty Cleopatra Cat Eye Stamp. This is a stamp that you stamp along your eye and it creates a beautiful cat eye. It comes in sleek and bold, so you can create the drama that you want, smudge proof, waterproof. This is going to last you, and I just love the idea that it's just a simple liner, you're good for the day, and you've got a really beautiful makeup look, so you can really bring the focus to the eyes. So I can't not leave you with a delicious cocktail. So this is from the 5 o'clock box. This is really about elevating while you isolate. So if you're not able to go to restaurants and bars, which you should be home right now, this is a great box that you can order. It comes with 3 ingredients, 3 simple steps to make a wonderful elevated mocktail or cocktail. You just add in your own alcohol that you have at home, and it's got everything you need. I just love this company. Great as a gift idea as well, if you want to do either a virtual happy hour with your friends or to celebrate somebody's wonderful occasion that you can't be there in person to celebrate. Now I think everyone's set to social distance and style.
Yes. Okay, so if folks want to find links to these products, Nicole, where should they go?
You can find everything on my Instagram, which is Nicole Pearl Beauty Girl.
Nicole, thank you so much for keeping us in style and safe. We'll have more Windy City Live coming up after this.